Are you ready to start buying and importing from Alibaba but worried about unreliable suppliers or scammers? Stick around because in this video I will show you 7 simple ways you can use to find and choose the most reliable suppliers among thousands on Alibaba to avoid losses and ensure success in your mini importation business. Watch through the entire video because I will also give you a bonus tip that will not only guarantee results but also save you a lot of time when selecting 1 or 2 suppliers among thousands of them on Alibaba. The knowledge you gain in this video will be valuable across similar online shopping platforms like AliExpress, etc. So let's dive right into it. So Alibaba is an amazing platform for sourcing products with thousands to choose from, amazing prices and low MOQ. But finding trustworthy suppliers can be tricky. So let's explore 7 practical steps to ensure you only work with reliable suppliers and avoid costly mistakes. Number 1, look for verified suppliers. The first step is to prioritize suppliers with a verified supplier badge. These suppliers have been vetted by Alibaba and undergo regular inspections to ensure their credibility. You will find this badge on their profile page. It gives you confidence that you are dealing with the right supplier who knows what to do and will deliver good results. Number 2, assess trade assurance. Suppliers offering Alibaba's trade assurance program are safer to work with. This program protects your payments if the supplier fails to meet quality or shipping standards. Always check if the supplier participates in trade assurance before making any transaction. This way, you're sure that you're liable to refund in case the supplier delivers poor quality, wrong products, or damaged goods. Number 3, check reviews and ratings. Take your time to read the reviews and ratings left by other buyers. Look for suppliers with consistently positive feedback on product quality, delivery times, and communication. This will give you a sneak into the kind of service offered by the supplier. Consistent positive reviews show that the supplier is good to work with, but also at this point be careful as some reviews may just be fake and not real from users. Then ensure to focus on suppliers with a rating of 4.5 stars or higher. Number 4, send a message to the supplier to assess their responsiveness and professionalism. Ask specific questions about the product, packaging, and shipping. Reliable suppliers will provide clear and detailed answers within a reasonable time. Be professional and smart in your inquiries. Show the supplier that you know exactly how things work here. Feel free to negotiate the quoted price, and if you aren't comfortable with it, find another supplier who is able to meet your demand. Number 5, always request a product sample before placing a large order. This lets you assess the quality of the goods firsthand. Be willing to pay for the sample and shipping. It's a wise investment in your business. If you find a supplier willing to offer you free samples, the better for you. But don't buy a product in bulk before sampling. This will help you test product authenticity, market response, etc. And if the product meets your expectations, you can then order in bulk. Number 6, analyze supplier background. Check the supplier's business profile for key details like years in operation. I prefer working with suppliers with at least 3 years of experience selling on Alibaba. If you can get those with 5 to 10 years experience, the better. You don't want to risk your money with someone learning from the job. Check out for different certifications, but most importantly, quality score certification, which confirms that the supplier produces good quality product. Then don't forget to check out the supplier's main export markets. Suppliers exporting to Western markets tend to produce high quality products due to strict measures in those countries. Always remember, suppliers with more experience are usually more reliable. And here is a bonus tip. Finally, the bonus tip is start small. Yes, place a small trial order to test the supplier's reliability. Monitor the communication, shipping process, lead time, and product quality before scaling up. If you prove they are reliable, then don't wait to sign a long-term partnership with them. You can replicate this process and find multiple suppliers for diverse. You don't want to count on only one supplier for all your sourcing needs, right? So choosing a reliable supplier on Alibaba doesn't have to be overwhelming if you follow these simple 7 steps. Take your time, do your research, and always start small. This video will equip you with knowledge on how to save more when it comes to shipping and taxes to ensure you get even more profits. Now that you have learned how to find reliable suppliers, you may want to learn 6 ways on how to avoid hidden costs in mini importation, even more profits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your concerns in the comment section below. See you in the next one. Peace.